Dear investors, welcome to the November 2025 monthly roundup video. India inflation is still low and the annual GDP growth for the July to September quarter came in at 8.2%, exceeding all expectations. RBI went ahead and reduced the repo rate by 25 basis points, taking the interest rates to 5.25%, which will boost consumption. In the US, the Federal Reserve also lowered the interest rates by 25 basis points and expressed concern over the job sector slowing down, which, according to the Federal Reserve, is not currently getting reflected in their data. Structurally, the Indian economy is in a much better position compared to last year, despite the external shocks like tariffs, wars, etc. In the 2021 to 2024 period, the share market had gone up faster than the developments in the actual economy. Hence, our markets stagnated since the past 14 months. To be honest, this is a necessary stage in every market cycle where the excesses in the share market correct and the valuation lowers. Such a dull period almost always leads to market giving better returns over the next 5 to 7 year period. I mean, look at it from a long term perspective. People who made the most in the 2021 to 2024 bull market phase are the ones who were quietly investing a large chunk of their savings since 2014 onwards through the dull phases of 2016, 2017, 2018 and the frightening phases of COVID 2020. For example, a 50k SIP during the 2014 to 2019 period, for that 6 years, a person would have invested 36 lakhs and the return would have been 47 lakhs, just a 29% absolute return in a 6 year time frame. But instead of looking at the low return, if that same person would have just kept on investing and invested till current date, like from 2014 till 2025 December, a period of 12 years. So the same 50k SIP per month, the person would have invested 72 lakhs and that would have grown to 1.35 crores, a nice 88% absolute return. What can I say? Such is the nature of the market. It doesn't give you the return in a linear manner. The returns are lumpy and often come in spots when you least expect it to. Unfortunately, many investors lose sight of the bigger picture and stop investing by listening to all the gloom and doom news. Even worse, some investors, after having invested during the 2014 to 2019 period, and having seen a 20% absolute return, would compare the returns with fixed deposits, get frustrated, and pull that money out and never invest again. The sad part is they have no idea how much money they lost by not staying invested, because your portfolio would never show the money that you could have made. Frankly, we can talk all we want about the power of compounding. We can open the SIP or lump sum calculators to calculate how much returns we can make if our portfolio compounds at 12%, 15%, whatever. If you have not invested a large part of your savings into the right investment product over a really long period of time, then all of that talk will be just that, meaningless talk adding nothing to your wealth. We are currently in 21st December 2025, and all I have done this year through my monthly round of videos is to give you different reasons to do the same thing. Sun noise, stay invested, have patience, and think long term. I plan to make one extra video along with the monthly round of videos. Let's see how it pans out. So, Happy New Year 2026 to you all in advance. Thank you for watching all my videos diligently and the likes, support, and nice comments. Happy investing.